is up, everyone? I'm Nick Cooper, and I want to welcome you to Circle City Motorworks. So, I had this whole elaborate thing planned for this last weekend. The White River Valley Antique Association has an annual show every September. And I loaded all my stuff up, and I was going to go down there. I was going to get some neat stuff, hit and miss engines, steam-powered stuff, just a whole lot of antiques they got out there. It's a big tractor show. They got a bunch of cars and trucks, antiques, hit and miss, old Maytag engines. I like fruit jar engines. I don't know what it is. But the weather just rained us out. It was unfortunate. I ended up just not even taking any of my stuff out of the truck. I just left it in there. So I did get a handful of stuff on my phone. It's not a whole lot, but it's pretty, I think it's pretty neat, and I don't want to hide it from you. So here's a little bit of it. Oh yeah. So yeah, that was what I caught on my phone. I mean, it wasn't a whole lot of stuff because they ended up shutting it down pretty quick. We trudged around in the water through the flea market, looked for a handful of stuff. I ended up getting a tiny little Triumph motorcycle with a sidecar. It's a Matchbox thing, but it was made in England, and I love it. It's so cool. Yeah, even with the weather, we had fun. But it's something we try to do every year. We don't always get there, but it's the White River Valley Antique Association, their antique show, just outside of Elnora, Indiana, which is about 2 hours outside of Indianapolis. It is a little bit of a haul, but as long as the weather's good and you got good people to go with you and you're interested in that thing, go check it out. It's a lot of fun. September every year. But if you're interested in antiques and old motors and things like that, cars, trucks, motorcycles, I'm into those things, and I want to share those with you. So if you liked what you saw, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and then we'll be letting you know as soon as things go up. That way you can stay with us the whole way. Still working on this garage, so I think the next video will be something about that. All right, thanks for watching. Check 1, 2, check that lawnmower.